The delegation from the President's Office, Honorable John Dramani Mahama, government officials, distinguished guests, students, all protocols observed. Good afternoon. Nana and my respected elders. Nana, I stand before you today with a heart full of gratitude and humility. First, I give thanks to the Almighty God, for His grace and protection. Second, I give thanks to you, Nana, for your kindness, your leadership, and for granting me permission to hold my Dormaa in your land. Medawasi. Thank you for your support. Thank you for believing in me. Because of your blessing and your backing, we were able to gather our people, celebrate our culture, and showcase the beauty and the strength of the Bono people with pride. The Dormaa was not just an event, it was a statement that our heritage is alive, and a statement that with our chiefs leading us, our youth can rise and represent Bono with dignity. Nana, your support made all the difference. You opened your doors, you gave your blessings, and you stood with us. For that, I'll forever be grateful to you. For 20 years, the Bono region has never won, but I believe with your support and with the support of all the people of Dormaa, I can bring the crown home. I promise you, Nana, that I will continue to uphold the values of our tradition with honor, dignity, and pride. I will represent you well, the Traditional Council, and the entire Bono region with honor. May God bless you, Nana. May God bless the region. Dormaa Nkrofo, Montom Mam, Msroho, Montom Mam, Amefam Brafi, 20 years, you're 5 leader. Now so, I feel we made the baby feel. That was